Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Hub. So students, in this video we are going to see AP Polycet Counselling 2025 step by step process. So students, means how to do this counseling process, means how to do registration, next counseling, certificates verification, and how to report in college. So this information we are going to see in this video. So students, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and watch the video till the end. Let's go into the video. So students, the step 1 process of AP Polycet counseling is first we must pay processing fee for AP Polycet counseling students. So means we must pay counseling fees. There will be some amount of fees. So you can see the AP Polycet 2005 processing fees. For the category of OC and BC it is rupees 700, and for SC and ST it is declared as 250 rupees. This is given by appolycet.nic website, the students. This is, so you can see first how to pay the fees online, means the candidates have to go to appolycet.nic website, students. So there we can see after the notification we can see pay fee online. There we must pay the fees and it shows the pay, click on pay fee online, and candidate had the processing fee online through net banking and credit cards and debit card. Through these three of the banking types we can pay the counseling fees, students. So next process so second step in this is certificates verification and helpline center, student. So this helpline centers will be located nearby you, such as in my area, means it is located near to Gudur, Tirupati. So these areas are near to me, students. So what to do for certificates verification? Which certificates we should take for certificates verification? After the payment fees of the processing fees, you will get a receipt. So that receipt you should take the printout, and AP Polycet hall ticket, AP Polycet rank card, SSC marks memo, study certificate from class 5th to class 10. So student, this is the study certificate you want from the class 5th to class 10, student. So in some website it will be showing from class 4th, in some from class 3rd. So no problem, students. From you can take the study certificate from 1st to 10th class. Okay, student. Next is student Aadhaar card, student. You must take this all. You must take xeroxes of at least 3 to 4 sets, student. So caste certificate of SC, ST and BC minorities, income certificates, income weaker section, it means EWS certificate, students. If it is applicable, you can take it. So local status certificates, okay, it is part of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and this is transfer certificate of your 10th TC, means had completed your 10th class, so you must take your TC also. Students, these should be, while going to certificates verification, you must take the originals and both xeroxes should be compulsory, 5 to 6 sets, students. Okay, students. So let's go into step 3. Filling option. The candidates will be able to fill out their preferred courses and colleges online. So students, after this process they gives us a username and password. We must go to the net center or nearby net center, and you must select the colleges you want. Means after the counseling, means the counseling process, we need to go for web option. So this is the form of web option. You must click the course and college in online, and for the a proof you must take a print out what you had option entry in that for future reference. Okay, student. So next, after that you will be going into the process of step 4 of AP Polycet 2025 seat allotment, student. So authorities will release the seat allotment, means you what colleges you had preferred, in that colleges do you got seat or not. So that will be released as a results in that, students. AP Polycet web option results will be released. So that the fifth process, the final process, is very important, student. After you got a seat, so if you keep any college, if I have SV University Tirupati, if suppose I got a seat in SV University, so immediately we must go to there and we must report that we are reported to allotted. We should report that we are present and I will be joining here. If we didn't report, means after 2 to 3 days they remove our name from their college and that seat will be emptied, students. So students, this is the process. These are the 5 steps that we need to do at the process of AP Polycet counseling, students. So after the payment processing fee, you should take the receipt of this also, students. You must take the printout also. So students, if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.